Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much create this really cool blur flash in effect on CapCut PC. So your videos need to be a minimum of 2 seconds. Then you are going to go to effects. You are then going to select basic, so it's right here. So in video effects you're just going to select it again. Go to basic and you are going to find camera focus 2. So this is camera focus 1 and we are going to find camera focus 2, which I hope it's here somewhere. I can't seem to find it. Oh, it's there. It's up here. So just add it to like each clips. So like here, just going to adjust it and make sure the blur and speed is at 100. And just copy and paste that for all of your clips. Just going to copy that again here. And then lastly we have this one. And then you are going to just select these two, right click, create compound clip, and you're going to do that for all of the video. And once you're done with that, you are going to select the clip, go to speed, and go to curve and choose flash in and add it for all, like to all of your videos, sorry. And that is it. Super simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Oh, it's a little bit laggy, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It works, I swear. It's just a little bit lagging, see, as you can see. But if I export it, let's just export it and look at the video. As you can see, it was kind of laggy in the CapCut itself, but it does work, as you can see. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!